Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, example 10. So the question is, prove that if x and y are odd positive integers, then x square plus y square is even but not divisible by 4. Even but not divisible by 4, and x and y are positive integers. So keep in mind. So we know that any odd positive integer, so odd positive integer is what? It is 2q plus 1. So 1 will be remainder and divided by 2. For integer q. So what we are going to take? We are going to let x is equals to 2m plus 1 and y is equals to 2n plus 1. So we have let the x and y values for integers m and n. So we are taking x square plus y square. So we will square x square 2m plus 1 whole square and plus 2n plus 1 whole square. So we will take a plus b whole square. So 2 to the 4m square plus 2 to the 4m plus 1 plus 4n square plus 4n plus 1. So we have commons. So x square plus y square is equals to 4 will be common then from this one and this one. So 4m square plus n square. So from this one and this one. So we will get 4 as common and m plus n and plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So x square plus y square is equals to 4 common and we will take multiples m square plus n square plus m plus n and we will close the bracket and plus 2. So we will take this one as q. So x square plus y square is equals to 4q plus 2. So we are getting one remainder when it is divided by 4. So this is not divisible by 4. So we will write here x square plus y square is even and leaves a remainder 2. When divided by 4. So this one is even but leaves remainder when divided by 4. So it is not divisible by 4. So thank you. This is for this question. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box and I will try to resolve your doubt. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in the board examination. That's all. Thank you.